Hi, welcome to the Handy Guys, and we are often tasked with hanging heavy objects on walls, and we're not sure quite how to do it. We generally are hanging objects on drywall, so we're going to focus on how to hang these objects on sheetrock or drywall.
Fortunately, we have many products to make the job simple. You have to determine the weight of the object you're hanging. Make sure the hanger you're using will accommodate the weight.
One of the things you want to do is see if you can find a stud or structure, because if you can use a stud, you can use a large screw or nail to hang that object.
In drywall, a single brad or nail won't hold a lot of weight unless you can hit a stud. If you can't hit a stud, there's a plethora of different products that can be used to hang your object on the wall.
So if you're hanging a heavier object, you're not going to want to use these. These are hanging strips, and they're quite convenient for hanging things up to about 16 pounds. But for heavier objects, you're probably going to want to look for another product. So for heavier objects, I love these picture hanging kits. They're great because they have very small nails that do very little damage to the walls. In addition, they can hang up to 100 pounds with the larger hooks. And what I also love about them is the only tool required is a hammer. Another product I like are these toggle bolts. So sometimes you don't need a hook, or you can't use a hook like we already used before, and you want to hang, say, a bracket for a towel holder or maybe a bracket for a speaker. These are great because they also hold up to about 100 pounds. The only downside is you have to drill a large hole into the wall, and if you ever have to move that object, you're going to be left with a big hole to fill in.
There's all kinds of new hooks and hangers on the market. If you're going to try these out, just check out the weight limits that they're recommended for. So Molly bolts have been around for a long time, but I really like the self-drilling anchors. They're easy to use, and I'm going to use them to hang this piece of artwork.
So there you have it. Thanks for watching the Handy Guys.